Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this small envelope, and let's find out what is in here. Hi. Oh. Alright, okay, so that's it. Oh my lord, oh my lord. So this is Halloween kills. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for Halloween.
And it's almost Halloween.
Yeah, it's almost Halloween. So this is perfect for to watch on that day. It's for 18th certificate. Halloween. Oh, so this is two versions of the movie. Includes two versions of the movie. Yeah, look at the
I think one is a couple of minutes longer than the cinema version.
Oh, so this one is extended cut and the other one is normal cut.
The one shown in the cinemas.
Includes never before seen alternate ending. So there. Oh, why is it two 18s in here? Like 18 blue.
That's for other
18.
countries. The red one is the UK.
The red is for UK,
Yeah,
and the
that's
18
probably
is
other
for
countries
other
it's sold in.
countries. Oh, so it's
Maybe Ireland.
so that's how they distinguish. But it's the same English. It's the same. No subtitle for this.
There might be subtitles for the deaf that they can bring up. Optional subtitles.
All right.
Usually are.
So this is Blu-ray. And is this a must? Because there's no ice in that.
Yeah.
So it's a must.
The usual William Shatner mask, I think he wears.
Oh, see. Oh yes, I remember. Yeah.
And that was made last year, and it's a sequel to this one that we watched about a week ago.
Yes, what's this? So this is Halloween as well.
Yeah, this one was a 40-year later sequel to the original 1978 film, and this is the sequel to this.
Oh,
so
right.
Where that one
So this
finishes,
is
that
older.
one starts.
So this is older.
Yeah, that was made about 4 years ago.
And this
is last year.
Last year. Oh,
and there's one more that was made this year, which has also just come out on Blu-ray.
So it's not in the market yet?
Yeah, it is.
It's
but
already?
It's full price at the moment.
Oh, so you're not buying it yet?
Yeah, I'll wait till it gets half price, like this one I just bought.
That's what, in 2 years' time?
Hopefully 1 year. And the latest one, which is supposed to be the very last one, it didn't get good reviews. Whereas this one got good reviews.
Yeah. So this
the one we watched was okay as well.
Yeah.
I don't think it was great, but it was okay.
Yeah. So this one includes 30 minutes of bonus features.
Yeah.
So this is not the very first Halloween, is it?
No, it's I don't know, about the 9th, 10th or something.
Oh, so this is
But
already
it
a lot.
ignores all the previous sequels. It's supposed to be a sequel to the original 1978 film, but 40 years later.
Oh, so this is the one at the back.
Remember, we watched it about a week ago?
Yes,
when they showed it on TV.
I remember, yeah, it's so scary.
That's the one.
So this is the one?
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder. And have we seen this?
No.
Okay, I wanted to see this.
This one carries on from where that one finishes, apparently.
Oh, I wonder, because in the end there's something unusual in there. So I wanted to see what's the unusual, the continuation of that unusual thing happen at the end of this video. But I'm not going to tell you guys because it's a secret.
Yes, and who's this young man wandering about?
Hello. Hiding. So You have to find it out, guys. I'm not going to tell you, but it
Yeah,
is
don't
worth
spoil the ending.
it is worth watching this, guys. You will see what I mean if you watch this. This is so nice, and I cannot when we are watching this, I cannot sit properly in my seat. I keep on standing up because it's so scary. And I'm wondering if this is more scarier than that. So now I see why Halloween is famous. It's because they made it very nice, very well made, and the character is amazing. Amazing.
Yes.
It's worth watching, guys.
I still prefer the original older ones with Donald Pleasance.
Oh, so that's the first one, you mean?
He was in the first 5.
First five. So that
Yeah.
is a bit different
Apart
from.
from number 3, wasn't actually had anything to do with the characters in these Halloween films. It was made by the same producer,
Yeah.
but it was a totally different story about different things.
Mm-hmm.
So it should never really have been titled Halloween 3. That was misleading.
There's nothing to do with Halloween then.
Yeah, it had to do with Halloween Night, but nothing to do with these characters.
Oh, so it's completely different
Yeah,
format.
that was number 3, which I found very disappointing. Disappointing in that it didn't have anything to do with the other Halloween films.
Mm.
So it should never have been titled Halloween 3.
All right. So this is I'm wondering how is this? So I wanted to see this. So guys, have you seen this, guys? So if you have seen this, any of these two guys, then let me know in the comment section below. And let's see who likes horror movies. Do you like horror movies, guys? I think a lot of my friends like horror movies. I know some of them, but I'm not telling you who are they. Because they might not like to be to be mentioned that they like the horror movies. So okay, guys, so that's it for today. This is the unboxing for today. Oh, not unboxing because I didn't unbox. Oh no, I unboxed this from the
Yeah,
box, from the
the
envelope.
other one we
Yeah.
unboxed some time ago.
So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.